So first, I'd like to thank you, and thank ET for giving this award to us. When you get recognized, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. But I believe the award belongs to the scientists, hardworking scientists work at Orchid Pharma. I think it is a recognition of their spirit of innovation, which has given us the first new chemical entity, enmetazobactam, invented in India and approved by USFDA. Yeah, so the new chemical entity that was invented by Orchid Pharma is a beta-lactamase inhibitor. It was synthesized in the synthetic chemical laboratories at Orchid Pharma. And then our microbiologists and our clinical pharmacologists combined it with various antibiotics, and it was found that it proved to be a very efficacious drug when combined with cefepime. So we decided to make a drug product in combination with cefepime and our new chemical entity, enmetazobactam. This product, I think everybody is aware of now the biggest challenge that we are facing in India regarding the antimicrobial resistance. Now, as we see, the bugs are getting more and more resistant to the common antibiotics. There is a class of bugs called ESBLs. This combination product is very effective against the SBLs. So what happens when the doctors face challenges from ESBL based pathogens and our existing antibiotics are not effective, they are forced to use the higher antibiotics like carbapenems, meropenem, etc. The introduction of this molecule gives the doctors the benefit of using this molecule, and they can preserve the higher antibiotics like meropenem for future use, thereby prolonging the useful life of those antibiotics. So I think in pharmaceutical industry, R&D is not a choice. We are investing about 1.5% of our revenue on R&D. We are investing in all the fields of pharmaceutical research like synthetic chemistry, fermentation technology, peptide synthesis. We also have a lab which is developing the finished formulations of the complex injectables like lyophilized vials. So we have a molecule coming up called cefiderocol, which we are developing in collaboration with Shionogi. We have got this product license from Shionogi, although it is still under patent, and we are setting up a large project for manufacturing both the API and the finished formulation. So while our historical business is manufacturing the APIs, primarily cephalosporins, but we are setting up a large facility in Jammu for manufacturing 7-ACA. This is a key starting material based out of fermentation technology. Currently, this is 100% imported, and the setting up of this project is not only important for Orchid but for our country, as it will de-risk ourselves from the dependence on 100% imported raw materials. So I think besides the API, this and our finished formulation business will give a significant boost to us in the coming years. So our hospital division called Antimicrobial Solutions, we are promoting the antibiotics in the different hospitals, and we try to advocate on the antimicrobial stewardship. Our objective is that the antibiotics are prescribed in ethical and rational manner. Although we understand that most of the doctors are aware of the antimicrobial stewardship principles, but there need to be more scientific protocols and data-based decision making. What we try to work with hospitals is that we help them in making protocols which are more scientific and how to analyze their data. So our model basically, I would say, is providing innovative molecules, providing stewardship services, and giving technological solutions.